What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the Heavy Rotation channel. I am your man, DJ Pyro, here with another mod on my 2012 Dodge Challenger RT. Her name is Savage because I love Rihanna. But enough of that. We are going to go ahead and get into this really quick mod. It is taillight covers made by GTS styling. Very, very simple mod. So this is what they look like. It's just a plastic piece, and there are double-sided tape right here that I've already removed. We are just going to click it on and press firmly, and we should be good to go. I have already washed with soap and water, and I have already wiped it down with alcohol. I'll let it dry, so we are good to go. So the first thing I did is I went ahead and popped the trunk just to make this one a little bit easier to do, so I can line it up. I'm going to lift the trunk, and I'm just going to press down to install it. So that is what the middle section looks like, and you can also purchase these separately. So if you only want to do the middle section, you very well could. The reason I didn't is because I wanted the fully blacked out look. The only thing I do regret is I meant to order the one with the center cut out, but it's too late now. We're just gonna roll with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these last two on and show you the completed look. All right, we are all done. See how quick and easy that was. Now I just need to wipe them off real quick, and then I will show you what they look like when the lights are turned on. So this is what they look like when they are turned on. As you can see, you can kind of see where the tape is at. That's probably the only thing I do not like. But other than that, I definitely think it gives it a much better look. And as you can tell, my headlight, not my headlights, but my tail lights are the 2015 and up once you turn them on. So when they are off, they look like it's a 2012, but at night when I turn my tail lights on, it looks like I am a 15 and up. I did that because I like the 15 and up look at night. However, during the day, I do not. So that's why I'm glad I was able to find the best of both worlds. Oh, I should show you the backup. Since it is a manual, I will have to get in real quick and start her up and put it in reverse just so you can see it. So give me 1 second. Okay, I hope you were able to see that. that wraps up this video. I'm gonna take the camera off the tripod just so you can get a closer look of what I did. But this is what they look like. Hope you guys liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Heavy rotation. It is DJ Pyro signing out.